Fernandez. Welcome to GeekSLP TV, episode number 25. A few episodes back, I showed you guys how you can actually open the tray on your iPad and see the apps that are running on the tray. I recently learned that we don't actually have to worry about closing those apps. We can let them close independently. What Apple does is automatically close the apps that are consuming any memory, which would be things like Pandora or iTunes that are actually running and playing music as other apps are running. And it's going to close them down as it needs its resources. So you don't actually have to worry about closing them down, like I mentioned on the previous episode. Well, learning how to close the apps is still very valuable if your app is stuck, or if you actually need to close the app yourself to reset and start over. Now, let's go back to the topic. And on today's episode, I'm going to be demonstrating a new app. Before we go take a look at the app that I'm going to be demonstrating today, I want to show you guys I want to show you guys the case that I have been using on my iPad to protect it. At first, I put it on just to try it out because I got it for free from My Gear store, which, by the way, you can get 15% off if you use the keyword. Not the keyword, if you use the promo code GeekSLP on their website, mygearstore.com. And it's Etch A Sketch, and it was really popular at Asher when I was demonstrating the apps. I'm going to show you for you guys to take a closer look at it. It actually looks like an Etch A Sketch. And at first, I was really worried that wasn't really going to work and protect the iPad like I wanted. And actually, the Etch A Sketch has been on my iPad ever since Ash. I haven't actually taken it off. And I'm not one of those people who enjoy or actually uses a case to protect their iPad. Shame on me. But it's something that I want to show to you guys. Another interesting thing is it has a way for you to use it as a stand as well. It only does if you use it it doesn't do portrait mode, only landscape. But it's really cool, and I want to share it with you guys. Now to the app. The app that I'm going to be demonstrating today, it's called One Voice. I have played with it for a while. I've had it on my iPad for a while, and I think it's a really cool app for me to be demonstrating. Now let's take a look at One Voice. So here we are. We are looking at the screen of my iPad, and I just launched One Voice. As soon as you launch One Voice, you can clearly see what you need to do. And you just tap on the image that you want to speak, and then you tap Speak.
I think.
Of course, I think doesn't make much sense. Let me clear that text. You can navigate through the different categories here. Needs and wants, friends and family, my day, feelings and emotions, places, home. I just added this category. It wasn't cartoons before, but I'm going to show you guys how to edit categories. Action words, colors, shapes, numbers, and word list. Word list is a basic combination of different words. So here we have the option of when you click on the image and you combine the images, the text appears on the top, and then you have to speak.
I want home.
Now, if you go to settings and you click on speak each word, it's going to speak each word as you touch on the image.
I want to go home.
Now, another part of the settings, you can change voices. That was Ryan. I'm going to show you Kenny.
I want to go home.
That's a childlike voice. And I'm going to show you Laura.
I want to go home.
And Heather.
I want to go home.
Now let's explore some more of the settings. You can change the speed of the voice.
I want to go home.
And I'm going to make it faster.
I want to go home.
Now I just showed you guys speak each word. Large categories. I'm going to turn it on, and you can see here the categories become larger on the left side of the menu. And we can also edit the application by clicking Edit Mode on, and you can delete some images. Or you can add an image. They call it Add a Phrase. And you select the image that you want to add, and then you type anything you want. I'm going to call it a lamp, and I'm going to save. Here I have lamp. Now, of course, it's not going to speak. I need to turn off the edit mode.
Lamp.
And just speaks the word that I just created. I'm going to go back into edit mode, and I'm going to add a new phrase because I want to show you that you can customize. I have added 2 of my images from my iPad library. Here is my puppy, Snoopy. And I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go back to settings. And I'm going to turn off edit mode. Blend clear text.
Snoopy.
And it just said Snoopy. That was a custom word. Now, here's how you can edit the categories. You can delete them. Or you can click on Edit Current Categories and you can edit them. I'm going to hit Save. And let me exit from edit mode. And that was it. This was your demo for One Voice. That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good weekend. Bye.